Hey butterflies, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl AAJ back again with another fabulous YouTube bride. And welcome to my night routine vlog. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is AAJ. I make night routines, shower routines, vlog, and I also do my daily lifestyle. So do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button to subscribe, and you are welcome to the butterfly family. And also, if you are like a butterfly that's been flying in this garden, just keep flying, don't go nowhere, okay? Don't fly out, just keep staying in the garden, so you're gonna retain, the beauty. Today's date is 24th of September. It's currently 5:45 p.m. and I was like, girl, I want to do a night routine vlog today. So what about I talk about these things that's been happening to me lately. And one of them was I was a little bit sick. I'm so sorry, butterflies. Like, I left without a notice or something. You don't know when you get sick, okay? You never know when you're gonna get sick. It was actually for a week and 4 days, I guess about 11 days, almost 2 weeks. So just down with fever and all of that, but thank God I'm back up. And the one that happened that actually got me really walked up and really worried and a little bit sad, if I wouldn't say like 80% sad, was because my Instagram account got banned. I know that on my page, if y'all know me on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, I don't post no nudity and I don't post no shit on my page. I just go about, my hair stuff, and yeah, that's literally what I do in pictures. So for my Instagram account to get banned, I was like, everybody tell me what's going on. Be for real. Like, how did it happen? That was a question that bumped into my head. I was asking myself. I try to even go and see maybe I can appeal or something. And it was just like, I can't appeal because they found out that my account really violated their rules and all that. The way I'm feeling right now, I'm feeling like I got fired from my job. Yeah, that's how I feel. The feeling that you went ahead and you look for a job and you got it and you were like fired by your boss. That's actually how I feel. Yeah. So that is just pretty much what I want to say, and that's the little update I have for now. And being out of Instagram actually taught me some valuable lessons, and which is one of them is you really need to have an option in life. You have two options, not just one. Don't always put your egg in one basket. Try to split it, maybe 2 or 3 baskets if possible. So not that I don't have TikTok account, I do have a TikTok account and I do have a Snapchat account, just that I don't really pay attention to my TikTok and my Snapchat the way I pay attention to my Instagram. So just always know that there's always going to be something that will happen. So mistakes happen, but then for me, I know I didn't make no mistakes because like I said, I don't even go naked on my page. So I'm just going to be active on my TikTok and my Snapchat and also my YouTube now. So if you want to catch me, you can catch me at A_AJ on TikTok, on Snapchat, and also on my YouTube. So for now, I am giving up myself a break on Instagram. So that is pretty much the update for now. So yeah, with that being said, let's get right into today's video, which is my night routine. I'm not really going to be doing anything too serious in this night routine because like I said, I just recovered not quite long and I'm not going to do too much. So I'm just going to show you guys a little things that I do as my night routine. Well, yeah, so let's dive right into today's video. Let's get to the video.
First on the list is my Dove Refreshing Bath Soap. It is in the Cucumber shade. And next we have this fiber towel for my face. And thirdly, we have this. This is supposed to be a makeup foam for your powder, but then I'm going to be using it to wash my face because I discovered that it's super smooth and super soft on the skin. Like, it's very gentle. When I tell you it's gentle, girl, don't go looking elsewhere for any gentility. You can get the perfect gentility with this foam. And this is the clean sponge. It's actually meant to clean off makeup from your face, but I'm gonna be using it for my face as well to clean off, give all the dazzle to my face with water. It is super smooth and super soft. I mean, I've never tried it before, but then I'm super sure it's not going to be itchy on the skin because of its smooth and softness. And also, it has a foam inside of it, so it's a little bit fluffy. And I like it when stuff are smooth and fluffy. And moving on next, my glove sponge. I usually don't like using glove for scrubbing, but I like to use it for bath and sometimes for scrubbing as well. So this is the part where I'll go ahead and get ready for my night routine. First, I like to take my bonnet and cover my hair. I was just laughing here because I look like a cartoon chef. So I just go ahead and make sure I secure those edges well by adding my A-band to it so I can slick that edges so it's not gonna scatter. Next, I'll go ahead and take off any jewelries that I'm wearing for the day, or that I wore for the day, sorry. I go ahead and take them off. And next on, I'll go ahead with my Nivea micellar water for my face to clean off the face products I used earlier, and also to clean off any dirts that are on my face or skin. So moving on, next we have the peel off mask, but this is a white shade. It's in white color. Well, when you put it on your skin first, it feels super cold, but then it's really nice. I would rub this on my face and let it sit for as long as I take my shower, take my bath. So I'm just gonna be careful when you want to put it, but careful so it doesn't touch like your eyebrow or something. But then I wasn't that careful here. It actually touched my brow, so that's why I'm gonna be leaving it to dry very well before I peel it off, or else I'm gonna be having a problem with my brows, and I don't want to do that. Next, moving on to my oral care, I go ahead and brush my teeth because I like to do that before I retire to bed every night. So let's brush my teeth. And now to the baby of the babies, to my shower routine. First, I like to go ahead and just pour my body some water, and we are going ahead with my cucumber wakali body scrub. I find it so difficult to pronounce those body scrub, but then trust me when I say, when you use this body scrub, it peels off dry dirt skin for you. Just believe me, girl, just believe me. I almost forgot I had a glove though. I told y'all earlier I really don't like scrubbing my body with a glove, but I was just like, let's try something new. So let's just go ahead and try something new. Hope it's not gonna be a boomerang. Like, I just hope it's gonna be a perfect one, because I'm crossing my finger right now. Exactly. Before I use this glove, I like to go ahead and wash it first with a lukewarm water, and I also went ahead to add some of my shower gel to it so I can wash it off properly before I use it, because it's a new glove and I've never used it before. So I'll go ahead with the body scrub on my skin. First I apply it on my skin, then I gently rub my body with the glove. Yes. So next I'll go ahead and wash the scrub off my body. And then moving on next to my laps and my leg, because you know you can scrub the hams and forget about the legs and the laps. You know, you gotta give every part of your body a thorough scrubbing, a thorough washing, and a thorough rinsing. Yeah, girl. So moving on next to my shower gel, I'm gonna be using the Dove Cucumber shower gel. Yuppie. So I'm not going to be using my sponge. I'm going to be using my towel as usual to wash my body, because I just finished scrubbing my body, and plus I use a glove to scrub so I don't want something too ash on my skin. Y'all know that you have to be very careful with this shower routine. If you want to shower, you have to be very careful to layer your materials that you use for the shower routine, to layer them properly so you don't make a mistake and make a mess of your skin. I love this so much because y'all know that we're doing like a mini cucumber shower routine, because all the products I've been showing y'all since has been a cucumber shade. And moving on next, I'm going to be using my Dove bar soap, which is in the cucumber shade, to wash underneath my arm and my girlies down there, because I just love the freshness of cucumber. I don't know why. And it's not, the smell is not too strong, it's just perfect. Way out of the shower, I just threw on this satin robe, and it's time for me to take care of my face. Yeah, it kind of looked like I've not taken my bath here, but trust me, I have. So I'm just gonna run through my face with my hand and try to peel off the mask, and hallelujah, we're getting the my skin. When you peel it off, you like see some white stuff or any dead that's been on your skin on the peeled off mask. And next we're going with my Dove face wash, and of course my smooth foam. I just love the fact that I get to put my 2 fingers into like that black band. Girl, you know that feeling? I know you don't know. Like, you do not know. This is actually you trying to do your skincare, but still try to be cute and still try to be that girl you want to be with your skincare being done, and you don't like feel like, oh my goodness, it's so stressful. And after I use that to wash my face, I'm gonna be using this clean sponge as another layer to clean off every single foam that is on my face. And trust me when I say she's smooth, she's silky, she's soft, she nice, she make me feel good. This is the girl I'm talking about. This clean sponge, just get it. Don't worry that it's a makeup sponge or something. Just make sure you get it and try it. I promise you, you're not gonna regret this. Like, and moving on next to my towel. Yeah, this is specifically for my face. I don't use it to wash nowhere, but I go in my face with it to dab my face gently, because of all the water left on my face. I like to use that to clean up, and my face is looking so smooth, y'all. Can you guys see that? Moving on next, I like to moisturize my body with the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. I just love the fact that this lotion make you feel super good. It does not leave your skin feeling dry or sticky. It just gets everything done. And for my chest, y'all, can you see the update of my chest? Like, I did went to the pharmacy. I took some drugs, some medication, and also this is a tube that I was given to apply on my chest every single time. So I've been applying the tube, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the tube has been working. And moving on to my face routine, I'm gonna be using my Nivea night cream. I just put it on my face as usual. And just use my hand to smoothen it to rub it gently into my skin. And we can never forget my Dr. Xoxo vitamin C serum. Y'all know that I could go anywhere with this. She just leave my skin feeling so good. Super smooth and super soft. Trust me when I say super smooth and super soft. Yeah, that's the old thing here. Since I don't have a washer, I like to use my fingers to wash my face. Does that exist? I don't know. So this balm is actually called Himalaya balm. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's not Ilmaya. I always say Ilmaya instead of Himalaya. I don't know, but then that's what it's supposed to be called. But I don't think I know how to pronounce it properly. And this is me feeling the cuteness of my skin. And lastly, I take off my A-bands and just, to let that freedom be on my head. You know the feeling after you take your bath and you feel fresh and feel clean? That's it. So let's unbox this PJs that was sent to me as a gift. Y'all, this is the cutest PJs I've ever laid my hands on because she's so cute. It's in pink, and I love the patterns on the bottom. The patterns are like love shape, so I love them. They're looking so good, and I love the fact that it has like a crop top. It's looking so good, y'all. It's not so tight on me. It's not tight, and it's not stretchy, but then it's comfortable. When I say it's comfy, it is comfy. And the elastic are not too tight at all. And this is me still showing y'all all the update on my chest. All the pimples are gone, just the dark spot left, and I'm just feeling the freedom of this pages, y'all. And bless the giver and bless the soul. Mwah. So for my body spray, I'm gonna be using my Dove pomegranate body spray. This, y'all, if you put it on, you're gonna be like, girl, I want to eat my armpit because it smells so good. I'm sorry. That's just exactly the way I feel. See, look at my nails. It's black. I didn't do pink this time around. Moving on next to my bed. I already laid my bed before I went into the shower. So I like to just take off anything that's not supposed to be on my bed. Maybe I use it in designing it and it's not supposed to be there. I like to take them off at night because I need to sleep. And I like to go in with this kind of party vibe light because she's so lit. I love it cute and cozy at night. It's just giving me that vibe I need. And that's me hugging Carrot. Yep. She was Pinky before, but then I think I'm gonna call her Carrot. So my teddy bear has two names, Carrot and Pinky. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do some work on my phone and just go through the internet until I fall asleep. So thank you all butterflies for watching this vlog. I really do appreciate. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So until I come your way next time, bye bye. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel.